Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So after I listened to Ali Bata, his Godfather, this thing. Oh, I hope you guys are seeing me well. So this one is Ali Bata. Oh, from Queen. I know Queen. Bohemian Rhapsody. Oh, finger style cover. Okay, let's check it out. I know this one. Oh my god, this man is good. Okay, in the other video, I was saying how I didn't know the song, the Godfather theme song. So it was hard for me to flow because of course, there's no lyrics. It's easy when you are hearing the song, you're able to get the lyrics, or you can read the lyrics on the screen. It's easy for you to relate to the song and appreciate it more. But the other one, I did not know the song, so it was hard for me to appreciate it. But this one, I know this one. I know Queen, Bohemian Rhapsody, even though like it's through reaction to that I got to know about them. But I don't know, guys. So there's this thing. Each time I hear this Bohemian Rhapsody, I don't know it's because when I found about them, I went to check and I found out how the lead singer died. He died through HIV. So maybe because I knew her, like, he died a tragic death. Maybe each time I hear the song, I will not be thinking he knew about he knew he was about to die. He now sang the song, Mama, I don't want to die. So each time I hear the song, there's this way I feel so sad. I don't know if I'm the only one on this table, guys. Let me know if I'm the only one on this table. But there's something about the song. It starts in a melancholy way, but when it gets the bridge, that no 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 no, like the switch. The first time I heard it, I was like, oh, what a minute! What's happening here? The switch was. It took me from a low. That it took me from to high. Like took me from low to high. I think that's my favorite thing about the song. Yeah, I love it. It leaves you in a good note, even though it starts from a bad, like a sad note, to not take you to a happy note. I hope I'm even making sense. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.